Welcome to the VP750 and VP700 tutorial series. In this video, you will learn how to print your first label. You can design your label in any software. Example, Bartender, Adobe Illustrator, Microsoft Word, and so on. Set up your print job from your label design software. We are using PDF format for our label. Click on the Print option and go to the Properties button. To customize your size, click Customize and key in your width and height needed for your label. Then, under Media, select the type of print you want. We recommend the Premium Glossy 3 option. Make sure your media layout is continuous and the sheets per cut is set at 1. Then click on Print, and the printer will print out your labels. For more information, visit www.vipcolor.com and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos.